In this tour, we'll show you how to easily get started using Ryver to make your team collaboration more efficient. There are 3 types of communication channels in Ryver. People provides a way to talk one-on-one. You can pin existing users to your navbar by selecting their profile, and if you're an admin, you can invite new ones. Teams let you talk privately with specific groups of people. And forums allow you to talk with all members in your organization, plus any specifically invited guests. Since all conversation history is saved in Ryver, new users can easily catch up on any past conversation by browsing or searching. In Ryver, there are 3 ways to collaborate. Group messaging includes chat for general conversations and topics for specifically focused conversations. The Task Manager gives you power to easily turn conversations into action by assigning tasks to teammates and even yourself. And conferencing allows you to talk with anyone in Ryver via voice and video calls, including screen sharing.
Hey Jim, I want to bring you up to speed on the accounting system.
Sounds great.
Let me share my screen.
Ryver makes it easy to keep up with all your conversations by providing customizable notification settings, high-level overviews of all relevant topics and tasks, and even the ability to pin your favorite forums, teams, and people to the top of your navbar for quick, easy access. Let your teammates know your current status by selecting it in the user menu. And take Ryver with you on your computer, tablet, and smartphone by downloading our free Ryver apps. You're all set. If you ever need any help, click Help in the user menu to find our user guide, view tutorial videos, or contact us. We hope you enjoy using Ryver.